Criminal record check is a process whereby a person can verify whether or not they have a criminal history or a criminal record in Victoria and indeed throughout Australia. Criminal record check is most regularly required for employment, volunteering, or licensing purposes. Criminal record check can also be required if a person wants to work with or be with vulnerable people, including children. Such a circumstance would be where a person requires a working with children's check. Criminal record check can help a person discover whether police hold records of convictions, non-convictions, and other court outcomes. Criminal record check is often a useful tool for an individual to know where they stand. Typically, to obtain a criminal record check, you will need to apply, often online, and will need to provide identification and a fee. The check will take approximately 2 weeks to be returned to you and will be returned, if you apply online, via email. The check can be conducted by you as an individual or through Victoria Police or through a third-party organisation. However, third-party organisation will always charge an extra fee. Criminal record check will sometimes return with an expression of nothing known. This means that the police are not holding any record which can be publicly displayed or provided to any person making such an inquiry. That does not mean, however, that there may not be matters which you are not aware of held by Victoria Police, such as a record that you were once interviewed in relation to an offence. Those sorts of records are not available publicly or through the criminal record check, as privacy laws prevent the release of that material. If you obtain a criminal record check and you believe that it is inaccurate, it is possible to object to the record and to appeal findings contained in that record. Criminal record check is an important part of the community's organisation to ensure that appropriate persons are involved in various activities, including those at community and not-for-profit organisations. Criminal record check is a matter that most people can undertake by themselves, but certainly calling a lawyer and getting further advice is useful. For example, while some material is not disclosable in criminal record check, such as a diversion hearing, it is disclosable in certain circumstances where a person is applying to be part of a particular program or part of a particular organisation. One example of that is if a person is applying to be part of an IVF program.